lama o nusful ma le fitu, o le fai upu mua mua, ma le fai upu e sefulu ma le fa. Psalms 27, verse 1 and verse 14 says,
The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear, Lord? The Lord is the strength of my life. Whom shall I be afraid? Wait on the Lord, be of good courage, and He shall strengthen your heart. Wait, I say on the Lord. Wait, I say on the Lord. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear?